Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you a basic CapCut tutorial on how you can cut or split the video on CapCut PC. So here I have a 10 seconds video, and if you want to cut for example the end of the beginning of the clip, you basically just need to drag. So if you go to the start or the end of the clip, there will be like this cursor like here. You can just drag it to the left to trim the end, and so that's the beginning. Just drag it to the right like this, and the video will be trimmed. So that's how you can cut the start at the end. But if you want to like cut or split the middle part of the video, you can just drag this line here to where you want to cut, for example in here. Then you can just click on this split, or just use the shortcut Ctrl+B, and then just drag the line again to where you want to split, okay, in here for example, and do the same. Click on split and just click on this part you split and delete it like this, and the video will be split. But if you want to, let's say I want to split in here and delete the rest of the clip, you can just drag like this, drag the line the same, and choose this delete right. So this option will allow you to split and delete the right part of the clip. So when I click this, just like that, the rest of the clip will be gone. And this is for the delete left, so it's basically the same. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please give me a like and smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to leave a comment and click on the thanks. Bye.